In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use a pattern to change the clothing on a SVG image. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm inside Cricut Design Space and I'm going to locate the image that I want to work with. So I'm going to upload, browse, and I'm just going to type in bundle 16 because I know exactly which image I'm looking for. Go to my downloads folder, and it is this Thick Goddess SVG 16. So I'm going to bring in the SVG. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to go ahead and bring that image in. And I'm going to go to my menu and change the proportions. So here I'm going to put this on a 6 and a 6, just so we can make it smaller so you can see it. I'm going to bring it in some so that it's not as curvy. All right, so on the right-hand side of my screen, you're going to see the different layers that make up this particular image. So the first thing you want to do is duplicate your image. And I'm going to duplicate her 3 times, well, 2 times. So now she's on my screen 3 times. So what I'm going to do is on this image right here, I'm going to get rid of everything except for her green outfit. So I'm going to hide her and everything except for the green outfit. Okay, so now we have just the green outfit, and you want to make sure you do not change the sizing on this, because if you change the sizing, it's not going to fit onto your image. Okay, so you have to keep the size at whatever size you wanted it at this point. And then I'm going to take this character and I am going to get rid of just the, oh, not that one, this one. And I'm going to just get rid of the outfit. That's it. So I'm just going to click on the eye for the outfit. So now there's no outfit on her. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to take and I'm going to apply a pattern to this shirt and skirt. So what you're going to do is you want to change the feel to print. Okay. Once you change that to print, you're then going to click on the little box to the right of it, and you're going to change that from color, click that drop down arrow and select pattern. Okay. Now, if you notice here, there are already some patterns that are out here, some that I've uploaded into Cricut Design Space and some that came with Cricut Design Space. But what I'm going to do is I have some patterns on my desktop that I want to use. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to upload, and this is showing you how you can upload a pattern. So normally you would upload an image on the left-hand side, but this time I'm going to upload a pattern. So I'm going to click on Upload Pattern, browse, and I have a pattern folder or folder called patterns on my laptop here. So I'm just going to go to the one that says patterns. Then I have all these different color schemes that I can use for a pattern. So if I wanted to make her outfit this color, then I could just click on this and say open. And then I could name this whatever pattern scheme I want to call it. So I'm just going to call it color scheme 1. And then you can add an actual theme to it. I'm going to leave mine as miscellaneous. And then you can add a color for the folder so you can easily locate it. So I'm just going to go with this one. And then I'm going to click on save. It's going to look like it didn't do anything. But what's going to happen is you're going to click on cancel. And you're going to go back to your canvas. And you're going to click back on the outfit. This time, we're going to click on that little box to the right of the print. And we're going to click the drop down and select pattern. And you're going to see the pattern that I just uploaded. I'm going to click that, and now I have the pattern. And all I have to do is take that pattern and move it over. And there you have it. So you want to make sure that when you bring them together, that you do go down. And if you're going to be using this as a print then cut, you want to make sure you click on flatten, and that's going to bring them together. Okay. So now you can see we have one here where she had just the green outfit, and now we just gave her a floral print outfit. So I'm going to do it one more time. This time I'm going to duplicate her. And I'm going to duplicate it again. And one of the things I like about this is you have so many different varieties. So this time I'm going to flip her. And I'm going to flip her horizontal. So it's going to look like she's going the opposite direction now. Okay. So we flipped her. Keep her the same size. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the outfit from the first image. And then on the second image, I'm only going to keep the outfit. So I'm going to hide everything else, only keeping the outfit. Okay, so now we have the outfit. This time I'm going to upload one of my Chanel designs that I picked up off of Google. So I'm going to go to upload, and I'm going to click on upload pattern, browse, and I'm going to go back to my pattern folder here. And here is a Chanel, here's a Chanel. Let's see, I think I had one. I'm going to use this one because it doesn't have a background. So I'm going to click on open. And I'm just going to say Chanel 1. I'm going to leave it up under miscellaneous, and I'm going to put it in that same color folder and save. Now click cancel. And you're going to go back to your desktop or to your canvas and make sure you have the dress or the skirt and shirt selected. You're going to go back to the right of the field, and you're going to choose print, and you're going to change that now from color to pattern. We're going to grab that Chanel. And the good thing about this is you could actually play around with, I think I maybe should have used the one that has a background, but I'm going to show you how you can make this bigger, or you can make it smaller than what's in there. So we could do a bunch of small Chanels on her like that, or you can make it a little bit bigger like that. And let's see what that looks like. So we're going to move it over. And now she has her Chanel outfit on. Okay. And again, you want to highlight everything and click on flatten. And that will put it as a cut and print so that it will just cut around the image. So now we have the image here multiple times, different outfits. And that is how you can go in and change the clothing on an SVG file. And if you don't see your layers here on the right-hand side, once you highlight the image, you want to go down to contour. It's either going to be your layers are going to be here, or they're going to be under contour. So I just wanted to show you how you can go in and use patterns, upload a pattern into Cricut Design Space, and then change the clothing on an SVG file. If you have any questions about this process, then feel free in reaching out, and I will be more than glad to assist you and answer any questions that you may have. If you're currently in my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you guys so much for being a part of my Facebook group. And if you would like to become a member, then you can send me a request to the Facebook group Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, and we'll go ahead and get you a part of the group, make you a part of the group. And if you are seeing my tutorials for the first time, you like my style of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're already subscribed, then I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And guys, you can always reach out to me at candoris48@gmail.com. I'll type it here on the screen. If it's something that you don't want to put in the comments that you want to ask me about, or something you would like to see, then you can always email me at candoris48@gmail.com, and send me your questions or suggestions that way. And anything that you can tell me to help me to improve, so that I can better help you with learning, then please share that with me as well. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And as always, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.